Have you ever wondered why trees drop their leaves every autumn but hold onto their sturdy branches? It's a fundamental question about how trees survive seasonal change, and today we're uncovering the biological reasons behind this. The shedding of leaves is a crucial survival strategy for deciduous trees, primarily triggered by the shortening daylight hours and cooling temperatures of the approaching winter. As you observe a deciduous forest in autumn, the vibrant color display signals that the leaves are nearing the end of their useful life before they are intentionally discarded by the tree. So, if the tree is protecting itself from winter stress, why does it only shed the leaves and not the entire branch? The answer lies in the fundamental difference between the roles and structures of leaves versus branches. The process of leaf shedding is called abscission, and it is a carefully managed biological event initiated and executed by the tree itself. Abscission begins with the formation of a specialized abscission layer at the base of the leaf stalk. This is essentially a layer of cells that weaken and dissolve to create a clean break. This process is regulated by plant hormones. Specifically, a reduction in the growth hormone auxin signals the leaf to detach, triggering the cells in the abscission layer to break down. Crucially, as the abscission layer forms, a protective layer of cork cells forms beneath it, sealing the tiny wound left on the branch. This prevents water loss, infection, and prepares the branch for winter. There are three primary reasons why trees expend the energy to shed their leaves before winter arrives. First, leaves are the primary sites of water evaporation through transpiration. By shedding them, trees drastically reduce water loss during the winter, when frozen ground makes water absorption difficult or impossible. Second, large, flat leaves would accumulate heavy snow and ice, potentially leading to branches snapping under the weight. Shedding the leaves minimizes this risk of structural damage. Third, trees use leaves as a dumping ground for metabolic waste products that can accumulate over the growing season. Dropping the leaves is a way of tossing out the trash before winter. Branches, however, are a completely different matter. They are vital long-term structures that the tree cannot easily replace. Branches are perennial. They are designed to survive the winter and contribute to the tree's growth for many years. They are the essential framework for next year's leaves and future development. Within the branches are the tree's vital transport systems, the vascular tissues, known as the xylem and phloem, which move water, nutrients, and sugars throughout the plant. Losing a branch means losing a significant part of this infrastructure. While trees can occasionally shed smaller, weak, or damaged branches, a process called cladoptosis or self-pruning, it is an energy-intensive and risky process, only performed out of necessity, not as a seasonal routine. Ultimately, the tree makes an economic decision. Leaves are temporary, nutrient-rich solar collectors that are too costly to maintain in the winter. Branches are essential, long-term investments. Leaves are shed because they facilitate water loss and are vulnerable to frost damage. Branches are kept because they are structural, transport water and nutrients, and are crucial for the tree's survival and growth in the subsequent spring. The masterful biological process of abscission allows trees to neatly discard their expendable parts while safely preserving their essential structure, ensuring their longevity through the harshest seasons.